Hey, did you know you can start coding right now for free? That's right. First Coding Path makes it easy, fun, and super exciting to get started. When you sign up for free, you get online coding practice tools. No need to download or install anything. A special Python platform where you can write your code and see the output instantly. Whether you're creating a simple program or testing some codes, you get immediate results, making learning fast and exciting. Access to FCP Insight, our awesome newsletter packed with tips and updates, exclusive course materials to help you learn faster and have more fun. Think this sounds awesome? Share it with your friends, they'll thank you later. Got ideas or feedback? We'd love to hear from you at team@firstcodingpath.com. We actually read our emails. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for free today and let's start coding, because the future isn't going to build itself.